Hey guys, Chris here again with Project Nerf. Welcome to another episode of Nerf ER, and today we've got an Auto Stryfe that needs a little help. Let's get at it.
Paging Dr. Chris. Dr. Chris to the ER. Paging Dr. Chris to the ER, please.
Alright, was gonna film range day for you guys today, but the wind is just howling. So anyway, this blaster came in for repair, and apparently it's an Auto Stryfe that is not autoing. Thanks, I'm here all week. So let's hook a battery up real quick and see what it is doing, if anything. Well, it revs. I hear a motor going in there, so my guess is we've got a stripped gear or something. Anyway, let's crack this bad boy open and take a look. Alright, well, we've got one major issue first thing here, and that is the pusher arm. A is just slop, and B, it's not right. This is some kind of 3D printed pusher. That's a worker kit. So, my guess is if I take this pusher arm out of there really quickly here, just get it out of the way because it's not going back in one way or the other, is that motor is turning just fine. Some hot glue going on in here. Hopefully my arm doesn't get in the way too badly. Hook it up and see. Alright, so it's not turning. Oh, you're supposed to screw those in. Anyway, so let's get the battery unhooked yet again and get in here. Now, we've got some pretty interesting mounting going on here. Some of those solders don't look the best in the world either, so let's get it out of here and see if we can do anything with it. Okay, even though the wire popped on that motor, the motor itself is fine. It's turning. I'm gonna have to do some rewiring work in here because it's pretty rough spot. What happened here? The gearbox locked up, or mostly it's got a bad spot. Apparently they had the issue before. They sent me the old pusher, and it's just oof. So anyway, I've got a worker kit that will mount right up to this plate that I'm going to go ahead and put in it. So let's start doing that. But what we're going to have to do is address some of these wires. Where they've got the power coming into it here and whatnot is going to directly interfere with our pusher. So we're definitely going to have to do some rewiring, and this is really stiff, kind of not hobby grade wire either. So let me heat up the soldering iron and get everything unsoldered so we can get it resoldered. Alrighty, I've moved right along here, corrected a few injustices. As you can see, this is already much cleaner. I got all this old hot glue out of here. Did the trigger up like I always do with the spring on the front. They had a switch in that place, but I cut it down so it's set a little lower, and that's nice and clicky. I did have a spare plate. I gave them the out of dart switch plate for their rev trigger. That's nice and clicky. The pusher motor and cage are already wired up, so all I've got to do now is run a few wires and solder in a new XT60, and we should be good to go. So anyway, let me get about it. Okay, we completely rewired everything. Again, we put the out of dart switch plate here on the rev switch, had a cover to put on it, redid this, redid my trigger with the return spring, fixed this where they had wallered it out. I had to put a piece of plastic in here to keep the pusher riding straight. Got all that redone. So anyway, let's see if it goes. Okay, well, the rev works. Yeah, seems to work fine. We're gonna get it buttoned up, get it out on the chrono, out on the range, and see how it works. Alright, let's chrono this bad boy. Now, it's a stock cage and wheels, but upgrade motor, so we should be seeing numbers in and around 100 FPS or so with these waffle darts, but let's see. PS headphone guy's going to get a little loud. that's good enough for what we're doing. We had 9 reads, high of 123, low of 91, average of 109. So that's pretty solid given what we got. However, it's a pretty easy deal here to upgrade the wheels in this blaster and get it into that 130, 140 range without too much trouble. Let's see if we can hit anything. All right, let's see if we can hit anything with it. Guys, forgive the audio. It's pretty windy out here today, so bear with me. Well, that 12 went pretty quick. We got more. Yeah. Not too shabby. 22 mag. We're just going to mag dump this one on the 20 footer. Here we go. There you have it. Empty 22 mag. Yeah, we can hit stuff too. Yeah, guys, hope you like it. I think it's going to be a great HVZ blaster, if not an everyday common man's battle blaster. Guys, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you can be advised of our future content. We got another build guide coming up here pretty soon, so you want to definitely want to check that out. Throw us a like. Hit us in the comments. Feel free to send us a mail. In the description box, guys, I will include our email address, links to the Facebook, links to the shop, and of course our fan mail address if you wanted to send something in. Guys, till next time, this is Chris for Project Nerf saying have a blast.